Hi, and welcome back. So today we've got an awesome one. We've got new wheel covers, Uberturbine looking wheel covers for the 18-inch Tesla wheels. These are going to be awesome. I got them right here. I'm going to show you, compare. But first, thanks everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you haven't yet, please click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, click the bell, like, share. Any questions you have about any of my videos, post them in the comments. I answer all comments. So let's get on with it. Okay, so here they are. There's the original aero cover, and there's the new Uberturbine. Now, as you can see, it's bigger, but that's because it's going to stick over and cover the edge of the rim, which is going to A, cover up the wheel rash I've done, curb rash, and B, prevent it in the future. So let me compare and show you here. Hold on, I'm going to hold them up. So as you can see, the Uberturbine is bigger. I mean, all the way around, if you look, it sticks out. It's way bigger, and it's going to protect more of the wheel, and it's going to look awesome. So I'm going to go put these on the car, and then I'm going to show you how awesome they look. So stand by. Okay, so as you can see, these things are sick looking. They look awesome. They cover up the whole, you can't see the wheel. They cover up the whole wheel. They totally look like the Uberturbines. And they cover the edge of the rim. So you don't, you're not vulnerable. Yeah, you'll crack one of these, but I'd rather do that than scratch up my rims again. But look at this. Way nicer. I mean, that looks awesome. These things are beautiful. Totally fantastic looking. Really awesome. Nice. It makes the tires almost look like low profile. These things are way better looking. So these are awesome. I love them. Definitely give it 2 thumbs up. Look at how great that looks. I mean, they look fantastic. What a huge improvement. Love it, love it, love it. So again, thanks to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't, click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Ring the bell. Comment. I answer all comments. And we'll see you next time.